In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Aspiration online banking password. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your Aspiration account or simply want to update your password for security reasons, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk through some simple steps to ensure you can regain easy access to your account in no time. First, you need to navigate to the Aspiration login page, which is labeled as Join the Financial Firm Built for the Planet. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the website address or clicking on your saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're there, you'll see the login screen prompting you to enter your username and password. But don't worry if you've forgotten your password because we're about to go through the process of resetting it. Right below the login fields, you'll find a reassuring message that says, "Don't worry, we can help." Click on this link. It's designed specifically to assist you in situations where your password might have escaped your memory. Make sure you're clicking this link on a secure and private device to protect your personal information. After clicking the link, you will be asked to type in your registered email address. This is a crucial step, so take a moment to ensure that you enter the email associated with your Aspiration account. Double check for any typos because an incorrect email can prevent you from receiving the password reset link you need. Once you're confident that your email is correct, proceed to the next step. Now, look for the option to send the password reset email. This button is usually labeled clearly, so locate it and give it a click. Doing this will trigger Aspiration to send a password reset email directly to your inbox. It's important to keep an eye on your email for this message, which should arrive shortly after you've made the request. If you don't see it in your inbox within a few minutes, remember to check your spam or junk folders as sometimes these emails can end up there mistakenly. Once you've received the email, open it and follow the instructions inside to reset your password. Typically, there's a secure link that takes you to a page where you can choose a new password. Make sure your new password is strong, using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters, and avoid using easily guessed words or sequential numbers. After confirming your new password, you should be all set. And there you have it, quick and easy steps to reset your Aspiration online banking password. Thank you for watching this guide, and remember to always keep your banking details secure and private. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more of our content for additional banking tips and advice.